Hi there, I'm Sashi Sivram Krishna and welcome to my course Macroeconomics, a Modern Money Theory Perspective. We are in part 1 of the course Macroeconomics and Money. In lecture 16, we will discuss Essentials of Modern Money 4. Let us try to answer the next question, which is, how does the government introduce money into the economy today? In the modern world, the answer is digitally, through keystrokes. There is no need to think of money as being printed and then distributed amongst a population physically. Today, money is created essentially through computers by keystrokes. The second point is that money is created when the government spends it into existence, and money passes through a set of institutions in the economy like the central bank and then commercial banks and then into the hands of the private sector, which could be individuals and firms who hold accounts, deposit accounts at the commercial banks. So this is the starting point of the journey of money, when it is created into existence by the government using keystrokes of a computer and then circulates through institutions in the economy. The notion that modern money is actually created by keystrokes of a computer comes from Chairperson Ben Bernanke of the Federal Reserve of the United States. So in one of the hearings, he was asked whether the Federal Reserve had bailed out banks using taxpayers' money. And these bailouts were in the tune of trillions of dollars, a lot of money. And Chair Ben Bernanke actually replied, "It's not tax money. We simply use the computer to mark up the size of the account." So for instance, if they bought the toxic assets of banks for $1 trillion, he would just have to type in 1 and 12 zeros to create $1 trillion which could be given to the banks in exchange for these assets. So that's the way modern money is created, which should actually then tell you that it is important not to think of modern money in terms of a stock of certain commodities or a stock of money, and this is simply something which the state has the authority and the power to create.